Hello everyone, this is Pandang Sundap and you are here on my YouTube channel Pandang Trikso. Hope every one of you are doing good. Sorry for not being active on my YouTube channel for some weeks as I was having some mental tension in my life. Today I came up with some interesting tips and tricks on Android world. So let's begin the video by going to my mobile phone screen without wasting time. The first trick which I'm going to show you on my phone screen is about sending an emoji in awesome format to your friend. Friends, the stickers format which I am showing you on the phone screen, it won't be available in your normal WhatsApp message. If you wish to use this kind of stickers to impress your friend, then the link app is in my video description. You can download it from there and then install it in your phone. These apps provide so many features. So today I'm going to show you two features of it. First features is about emoji, and the second features, let me come to the second features, is about text. Suppose like if you normally text to your friend, it always come out in this format, but if you wish to change this format through the help of this app, then let me just type the normal. Okay, and then if I wanted to change this text font, then there's so many fonts out here. You can select any one according to your wish. You can change to any font according to your wish. So that's how you can use these tricks features in your phone to impress your friend. Friends, before I proceed to my next video, if you are new to my channel, please press the like and subscribe button and put the bell notification to all so that whenever I upload new videos, you will get to see my video notification on your phone screen. Next trick, if you wanted to see other or your friend normal phone message in your phone, then in that case you need to follow these steps which I'm going to show you on my phone screen. So look carefully so that you can understand the steps and tricks nicely. So for that, let me just show you my text message. This is my text message which I have in my normal message. So let me go to my other phone. This is my other phone. When you go to the other phone, on the Google Chrome, type Google Web Message. Once you click on it, you'll find an option. Google Message Web. Click it there. So once you click on it, you'll find a barcode. So try to scan this barcode from your phone. So for that, you need to go to your normal message. On the upper part, you will find 3 tick. Click it there, and then you will find an option message for web. Click it there, and from there you'll find an option QR code scanner. Click it there, and then try to scan this barcode from your other phone. So once you scan that, let me just show you this my normal message again. This is my normal message. So right now my phone has been hacked for my other phone. So let me show you that. So see, right now my normal message can be accessed from other phone. So that's how you can use this trick through the help of Google Web Message to hack other normal web message. So in order to know that whether your friend or any one of your friends have hacked your normal message or not, for that trick you need to go to your normal message icon. On the upper part you'll find 3 tick, click it out there, and then you'll find an option message for web, click it there, and after that here you'll find an option pair device. You just disconnect this, unpair all device, click it there, unpair. So once you unpair all this device, none of your person can hack your normal message. Friends, if you are looking for some apps to recover your phone data like image, MP3, video, then you don't need to worry if you watch these videos. Friends, if you have deleted your image many years back from your phone, and if you want to recover those deleted image to your phone, then in that case you need to follow these steps which I'm going to show you on my phone screen. For these tricks, you need to download an app from the Play Store. The link app is in the description. You can download it from there and then install it. So after installing the app, you need to open the app. So when you open the app, you'll find this kind of interface. So click on Get Started. So when you open the Get Started option, you'll find this kind of interface. So below the interface you'll find two options, scan photos and then restore photos. So if you wanted to search those deleted image which you have deleted so many years back, then in that case you need to press scan photos. So press on scan photos. So once you press on scan photos, it will search for those deleted image which you have deleted so many years back. So you need to wait for some time. Okay, after the scanning is complete, you can find your deleted image on show deleted files. So click there, show deleted files. So once you open the folder of show deleted files, you will find all the image which you have deleted many years back. So in order to recover this, just click any of your photos and then there's an option called restore now. You can select an image and then you can restore it to your phone. Okay, next trick. Last trick, how to recover your deleted videos and MP3 files in your phone. For this trick, you need to download an app from the Play Store. The app link is in the description. You can download it from there. This apps is the best apps which I have known so far to recover deleted video and MP3 files from your phone. I have been using this app for so long to recover data. You can also try by yourself if you wish. So once you install the app from the Play Store, you will find this kind of interface when you open the app. So click on Get Started after that. Okay, once you open the app, you will find this kind of interface. On the interface below, you will find three options: video, audio, restore. So in order to restore your deleted video which you have deleted so many years back, for that you need to go to video option. So in order to recover your deleted video, you need to press on video. So video, let me press the video. So once you press on video, it will scan those deleted videos in your phone. So you need to wait for some time. Okay, once it is complete, it will show you this kind of interface. So in order to restore those deleted files, click on show deleted files. So once you open the show deleted files, it will show you the deleted video files which you have deleted so many years back. So in my case, let me open a video. So this is the video which I have deleted so many years back. So in order to recover this, you just need to press here, and then there's an option called restore now. Click it there, and that way it will recover your video. Okay, now to recover audio. To recover your audio deleted files, you need to click on audio. So let me click the audio out here on the interface. So once the scanning is complete, it will show you this kind of interface. In order to recover those deleted audio files, you need to click on show deleted files. So let me click out here, show deleted files. So once you open the show deleted files, it will show you the deleted audio files which you have deleted so many years back. So you can find so many deleted audio files out here. In order to restore these audio files, you need to click here, and then you need to tick all the audio files which you want to recover it. So in my case, let me just do it 1, 2, 3, and then just restore it. That's how you can restore your audio files through the help of this software. This software has some ads, so whenever ads plays in your apps, kindly skip those ads. Okay, then that's all for today, friends. Thank you all for your love and support. Take care and stay safe. See you again in my next video.